Hello friends, I am Ruchika and I am here again with another session. इंडियन आर्म फोर्सेस में रैंक्स और बैजेस एक सोल्जर के इम्पोर्टेंट आइडेंटिफिकेशंस होते हैं और उन ऑफिसर्स को आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए हमें उनके रैंक्स और इंसिग्निया समझना ज़रूरी है. सो लेट अस टेक एन ओवरव्यू ऑफ द डिफरेंट रैंक्स इन द इंडियन नेवी. इंडियन आर्मी के रैंक स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में मैं आपसे पहले ही बात कर चुकी हूँ. In this video, you will also find the equivalent ranks of the Indian Army. So let's get started. Commissioned officers में सबसे पहली रैंक होती है सब लेफ्टिनेंट. इंडियन नेवल एकेडमी से कोर्स कंप्लीट करने के बाद एक ऑफिसर सब लेफ्टिनेंट की पोस्ट पर कमीशन होता है. The sub lieutenant badge consists of one medium gold braid stripe with executive curl. Lieutenant. The lieutenant is one rank senior to the sub lieutenant. ये रैंक आर्मी की कैप्टन रैंक के इक्विवेलेंट होती है. The lieutenant insignia has two medium gold braid stripes with a loop on the upper stripe all over a black background. Lieutenant Commander. The lieutenant commander is the commanding officer of a small ship or installations. Lieutenant commander rank is equivalent to the rank of major in the Indian Army. लेफ्टिनेंट कमांडर के इंसिग्निया में दो मीडियम गोल्ड ब्रेड स्ट्राइप्स के बीच में एक पतली गोल्ड ब्रेड स्ट्राइप होती है जिसमें सबसे ऊपर वाली स्ट्राइप पर एक लूप बना होता है और ये सब ब्लैक बैकग्राउंड पर होते हैं. कमांडर. इट इज अ टर्म यूज्ड फॉर एन ऑफिसर कमांडिंग एनी आर्म्ड फोर्स यूनिट. ये रैंक आर्मी की लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल रैंक के इक्विवेलेंट होती है. The commander's insignia contains three medium gold braid stripes with a loop on the topmost stripe. Captain. A naval officer who commands a ship is called by the naval custom a captain. This rank is equivalent to the rank of colonel in the Indian Army. The captain insignia contains four gold braid stripes with a loop in the topmost stripe over a black background. कॉमोडोर. पारंपरिक तौर पर कॉमोडोर टाइटल एक ऐसे ऑफिसर को दिया जाता था जो एक से ज्यादा शिप की कमान संभालते थे. A commodore is a one-star rank officer. A commodore typically commands a squadron or flotilla of ships. This rank is equivalent to the rank of brigadier in the Indian Army. The commodore insignia has one thick gold braid stripe with a gold ring above it on a black background. Rear Admiral. Rear Admiral is the lowest of the admiral ranks, sometimes referred to as flag officers or flag ranks. एक rear admiral एक 2-star rank officer होता है. ये रैंक आर्मी की मेजर जनरल रैंक के इक्विवेलेंट होती है. A rear admiral bears 2 stars beneath a cross baton and sword surmounted by the national emblem on his shoulders. On his sleeves, he bears a thick and other thin gold braid stripe with a loop on the top thin stripe. Vice Admiral. A Vice Admiral is a 3-star rank officer who is the Vice Chief of Naval Staff and is second in command in the Indian Navy. He is responsible for all the operations in the Indian Navy. Vice Admiral की रैंक आर्मी में लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल रैंक के इक्विवेलेंट होती है. The Vice Admiral bears 3 stars beneath a cross baton and sword surmounted by our national emblem on his shoulders. He also bears 2 thin gold braid stripes over a thick gold braid stripe with a loop on the topmost stripe on his sleeves. Admiral. The Admiral is a 4-star rank officer. He is the highest ranking officer in the Indian Navy and is known as the Chief of Naval Staff. This rank is equivalent to the rank of General in the Indian Army. An Admiral bears 4 stars beneath a cross baton and sword surmounted by the national emblem on his shoulders. On his sleeves, he bears 3 thin gold braid stripes over a thick one with a loop in the topmost stripe. Admiral of the Fleet. The Admiral of the Fleet is an honorary 5-star rank reserved for ceremonial or wartime appointments. Indian military officers who hold a 5-star rank are considered to be serving officers till death and hold their rank for life. No officer of the Indian Navy has yet been assigned with this rank. The Admiral of the fleet bears one thick and 4 thin gold braid stripes with a loop in the topmost stripe over a black background. So friends, this was all, and I'll be coming back again with new such videos.
Kindly subscribe D-Day YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.